Hello guys, welcome to my third video in Java Complete course. In this video, I will explain you about the Java importance, its evolution, and the object-oriented principles. So you can see this image which represents Java. In olden phones, you would have seen this type of image while you are playing some games or using like Java applications in the phones. So coming to the things I would like to discuss in this video is Java evolution, importance of Java, object-oriented programming, object-oriented example, and object-oriented principles. Object-oriented programming we all will call as OOPS. Java evolution. Java is been developed by James Gosling. He is the founder of Java and it is developed by Sun Microsystems. The company name is Sun Microsystems. So later Oracle, which is a big legend in the recent companies, has acquired the Sun Microsystems. So if there is an update for the Java, so it will be coming from the Oracle Corporation Private Limited uh, because Java is owned by Oracle. So I will explain you about the importance of Java now. Java is a general programming language. The general programming language means like it can be used in different types of domains. It can be a health domain, it can be finance domain. It will be used for developing different type of purposes. And the main motto of Java is it's a platform independent programming language. Like in the next point you can see once compiled, then you can run the code on any of the operating system. The main thing behind the platform independent programming language is if you write your code in any of the operating system, you can run your code on any other operating system because the bytecode that is generated while you compile the Java program. So the famous sentence for the platform independent programming language, Java is write once, run anywhere. As I said that you can run on one operating system and you can run on any other operating system. It's the best feature and uh, it makes a difference Java from the C programming language where C is an platform dependent programming language. In some cases, if you develop any program on any operating system using C language, so it may not run on the different operating system because of its the code that is generated after the compilation. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It follows all the object-oriented programming concepts. There are many object-oriented programming concepts like Python. Even Python is a great object-oriented programming language. So coming to object-oriented programming language. In world, everything is an object. It can be a living or a non-living things. Everything you can consider as an object. A chair, a building, a person, a book. An object-oriented programming language deals with all the real-time objects and its properties. If you think your home as an object and it has a properties like doors, windows, gate, or something, and the objects will deals with the properties. Objects contains data in the form of fields. It has a fields which can be which are referred as attributes. An object has attributes. It contains a code in the form of methods which interact with those attributes. So object has data and it has some methods. These methods will interact with the data and do some operations on the data, which are attributes. These methods are used to change the state of those attributes. This is the beauty of object-oriented programming language. These objects can make everything as come together. It's a binding of like data and methods. So I will explain you an exam with an example object oriented programming. Think the person you are seeing in that image as an object. Uh, so this object has the attributes like he has eyes, he has ears, he has legs, hands, nose, and many things. And each like eyes, ears, and legs are all are attributes. It is fixed to this object. So his mind has a certain methods to operate these body parts. His body parts will be hands, legs, etc. There are some predefined things that is written in his mind to make actions with these attributes like eyes, legs, legs. This same procedure happens when you coming to object oriented programming coding also. As how a man does things, the same procedure happens in this object oriented programming. So you can find many examples for the object oriented programming when you think real time. As I said you, chair, a book, a pen, a phone, and everything comes under object oriented programming objects. And you can code just taking examples of them like their properties and the actions they do. So I will tell you the core object oriented principles, and these principles will be followed in Java programming. Abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. These principles can also be referred as pillars of Java. Whenever you writing an Java program, you have to follow this, which will give you the better confidence that your code has followed all the standards and it's secure and it's reusable, and it will hide, like it will have an abstraction layer between end user and the code. It will make the code sensible that everything is working good, and it's more it makes the code very flexible. So guys, I will explain about these principles detail in the next video. Um, so you can go through this video from start if you want to do uh, see the again this video. Guys, I'm done with this object oriented programming principles and the importance of Java with related to even object oriented programming with that example. So wait for the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.